Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we got a 2019 Nissan Rogue, and on this Nissan Rogue I'm going to show you how to remove the window regulator. Say your window regulator has gone bad, you've got a lot of clicking coming on, being like plastic breaking noises when you try to raise the window and lower it, or you have the window up and it slides down. It's saying that there's components that have broken. Now if the motor has gone bad, you're going to have to do some other things to get it undone, to be able to get the window out, by removing all the inner door panel, the protective cover that's here, and these bolts, and then you would basically be able to raise the window up and be able to get these bolts undone to then pull that window out. But if the motor was good, you're able to raise it up enough to get it here, and then you'll be able to undo this and replace it. So to remove the window regulator, we need to undo 1, 2, 3, 4, and then this one we don't have to take completely out because it's got this bigger set here, but we'll completely remove 4 bolts and just loosen this one so that we can slide it to the side here, and we have to undo this electric connector. So to undo the electric connector, you're just going to press it to get it to unlock and pull it out. And now we'll remove these 4 bolts, which are a size 10. So those 4 bolts are removed. This one we just need to loosen up enough. We don't have to remove it completely, but we just need to loosen it up enough that we can just pull it up and the bolt will go through the hole there. And then we just work it and we can remove the whole window regulator like so. Now this window regulator, you can replace the motor if you want. There's 3 bolts here to be removed to be able to replace the motor. And then, but what's more is these plastic pieces are going to break either at the bottom or the top, and then you're going to have where it's not going to slide right or whatnot. I will tell you right now, if you were to buy this window regulator, buy the window regulator itself, it's a lot, well, the window regulator and motor together, it's a lot cheaper than just buying the motor. Some places $200 or $100 more for just the motor than if you bought the regulator and the motor together. So you're really going to save a lot of money if you just buy the regulator motor assembly together. But when you need to replace it, this is all you do. You take this out after you've taken the inner door panel off and get a new one, and then just have this bolt started and leave a little bit of gap, and then you can put it back in. So put the bottom in first, wheel it over, and then we take that one bolt, and now we have it sitting in there, and we can start these other bolts. And then we just work our way around, tighten all the 5 bolts up. With all the 5 bolts tightened, then we'll just hook the electric connector back up. You would put the window back in and put the protective cover back on, and put the door panel cover back on and everything that goes with it. So that's how you would replace your window regulator in your Nissan Rogue of 2019. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.